How to buy USDT on Safepal. Open up the application and log into your account. Now, once you have been logged in, we will click on swap at the bottom of the screen right here. Okay, so now we want to go into buy/sell, and you can choose your currency in which you want to buy. And here on the second currency, we'll just click on Bitcoin, which is the default, and we're gonna search for USDT. Now there are some different options for USDT, and they will have different fees. As you can see here, the first one converts to the specific fee, and if I choose the second one, it might give me a different currency exchange rate. So just choose whichever USDT you want to purchase, click on buy, follow the prompts, and that's how you purchase USDT on Safepal. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.